Siete pronte? Blu, Primero e Corazon.
Yo, listen up, here's the story about a little guy that lives in the blue world. And all day and all night and everything he sees is just blue. Like him, inside and outside. Blue his house with the blue little window and a blue Corvette. And everything is blue for him and himself and everybody around. Cause he ain't got nobody to listen. I'm blue, I would need, I would die, 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 I would need, I would die. I'm blue, I would need, I would die, 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 I would need, I would die. Inside me, I'm blue, I would need, I would die, 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 I would need, I would die. I'm blue, I would need, I would die, 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 I would need, I would die. With a blue window. Blue is the color of all that I wear. Blue are the streets and all the trees are blue. I have a girlfriend and she is so blue. Blue are the people here that walk around. Blue like my carpet, it's raining outside. Blue are the words I say and what I think. Blue are the feelings that live inside me.